2, and today we are going to see about the 8th lesson, and the topic is what les moyens de transport. It means what uh, means of transport, and let's see the communication part for the lesson 8. So first one is what demander de nouvelles. It means what asking for details, and donner des raisons. It means what giving for reasons. And these are the two communication part which is based on this 8th lesson. And move to the content for dialogue A. It is dialogue of the colleagues se rencontrent à la station de métro. So two colleagues meet in the metro station. So colleagues ன்றது யாரை சொல்வாங்கன்னா those who are working with together. So workers ஓட friends யாரை சொல்வாங்கன்னா colleague அப்படின்றத சொல்வாங்க. And the conversation between Uvis and Bernard. So in the conversation யாரா இருக்குன்னா Uvis and Bernard, and the conversation starts from Uvis. Quelle surprise, tu es venu à métro. So Uvis, what a surprise, you came by metro. And Bernard, oui, j'ai pris le métro ce matin. Yes, I took the metro this morning. And tu vois, j'ai vendu ma voiture. And you see, I sold my car. J'ai toujours des problèmes avec elle. So I always had a problem with it, and j'ai dépensé beaucoup d'argent pour sa réparation, and I spent a lot of money for repairing it, and c'est pourquoi j'ai pris la décision de vendre la voiture. So that's why I decided to sell the car. So Bernard, what he said, so அவங்க என்ன பண்ணாங்கன்னா மெட்ரோ எடுத்தேன் எப்போனா in the morning, and you see I sold my car. அவரோட கார் என்ன பண்ணேன்னா சோல்ட் பண்ணிட்டார் because of that lot of problem with it, and he spent a lot of money for repairing. That's why he sold the car. And Uvis, tu as acheté une nouvelle voiture, so are you going to buy a new car? And Bernard, pas immédiatement, la circulation m'énerve. So not immediately, the traffic irritates me. And j'ai mal au dos, so it means what I have back pain. And alors je décidé de prendre le métro ou l'autobus. So I decided to use to metro or bus. And et toi, comment est-ce que tu te rends au bureau? So and you, how do you go to the office? And Uvis, moi je vais au bicyclette, so it means myself I'm going to bicycle. And Bernard, a bicyclette, ce n'est pas dangereux. By bicycle, it's not dangerous. Uvis, non, pas du tout. La bicyclette est un bon exercice. So no, not at all. The bicycle is a good exercise. And Bernard, moi, j'aurais peur de prendre la bicyclette au bureau. So me, I will be afraid of going by bicycle to the office. And these are the conversation between Uvis and Bernard, and they are discussing about the means of transport and what they are discussing about. So they are discussing about how to go to the office only. So on the conversation between Uvis and Bernard, and the conversation starts with Uvis and what he said, what a surprise, and how you came by metro. And Bernard says, j'ai pris le metro ce matin. So எதுக்குன்னா because he sold his car. Why? Because of he spent lot of money for reparation, so that he sold the car. And next Uvis is asking, you're going to buy a new car. And Bernard, what he said, no, not immediately, because of the traffic, it irritates him, so that he's not going to buy a car. And he has back pain also, so that he decided to go to the metro and the autobus. And Uvis is asking how he goes to the office. He used to go by bicycle only. So he's asking, it's not dangerous. Yes, it's for good for health only, so I think. And Bernard, what is the last conversation for that? I will be afraid of going by bicycle to the office. So who said like this? Bernard only. And let's see the lexic. So first one, surprise, it means what? Surprise. And matin means what? Morning. And voiture, car. Argent, money. L'autobus, bus, bureau, office. And bicyclette is a bicycle. And let's see the verb. Venir means what? To come. And prendre, to take. Décider means what? To decide. And rendre means to return. And aller, to go. So these are the verb and lexic which we have seen in the dialogue A. And move to the dialogue B. So la gare Mambalam, it means at this Mambalam station. And the conversation between Vikram and Mukesh. And the conversation starts from Vikram. Pourquoi il y a tout le monde à la gare aujourd'hui? So why there are so many people at the station today? And Mukesh, vous ne savez pas, tu n'as pas lu le journal. So you don't know, you didn't read the newspaper. Les syndicalistes ont annoncé la grève aujourd'hui. So les syndicalistes means what? Trade unionists. So have announced a strike today. So grève means what? Strike. And donc il n'aura pas d'autobus. So there will be no bus. And Vikram, avec cette foule, comment peut-on monter le train? So with this crowd, how can you get into the train? And Mukesh, oui, ce sera difficile. And Mukesh said, it will be difficult. Mais tu dois monter n'importe comment pour arriver au bureau l'heure. So, but you have to get into the train and anyhow to reach the office on time. And Vikram, je vais appeler un taxi pour aller au bureau. Tu viens avec moi. So it means I'll call the taxi to go to the office. You come with me. And Mukesh, moi, j'ai déjà essayé de réserver un taxi. So I already tried book the train. Next, à cause de la grève, il n'y a aucun taxi. So because of this strike, there is no taxi. And c'est 3 fois plus cher and it's 3 times more expensive. And Vikram, alors, ce n'est pas la peine d'aller au bureau aujourd'hui. Je vais rentrer chez moi, so it's not worth to going to the office today and I'm going to return home. And Mukesh, moi, je dois me rendre au bureau. So myself, I go to the office and nous avons un rendez-vous important avec une délégation française. So we have an important appointment with a French delegation at 11 a.m. So what is the meaning of delegation? It means authority. And c'est moi qui fais une présentation. It's me who is doing a presentation. So this is the conversation for dialogue B. So the conversation between who and who? It is Mukesh and Vikram. So they are discussing about the strike. And let's see the lexic and the verb. So monde means what? People. Syndicaliste, trade unions. Donc, so, win for crowd. Difficile means what? Difficult. Avec, with, déjà, it's already. And verb se rencontre, it is a pronominal verb and it means what? To meet. And dépenser means to spend. En rêver, it means to irritate. Vendre means to sell. And appeler means what? To call. So these are the lexic and the verb which we have seen in the dialogue B conversation. Let's see the choose the best answer. First one, Mukesh a rendez-vous avec une délégation. So Mukesh has an appointment with an which delegation, that is French. So the answer is what? Français. And even à cause de la grève dash va rentrer chez lui. So because of this strike, who is going to home? Vikram. And the third one, Ma'am il y a une grève dash doit se rendre au bureau. So even that there is a strike, who is going to take going to the office? Mukesh. And next, les syndicalistes ont annoncé la grève dash. So the trade unionists have announced a strike in the newspaper. So the answer is what? Dans le journal. And dash va a bicyclist. So who goes to the bicycle? Uvis. And the bicyclist a dash exercise. It is good for the health and it is a good exercise also. So the answer is what? I am born exerciser. And seventh one, Bernard a dépensé beaucoup dash à la réparation. So Bernard had spent a lot of money for the reparation. So the answer is what? Dasho. Dasho means what? Money. And eighth one, dash va faire une présentation avec une délégation française. So who is going to doing a presentation for a French delegation? Mukesh. And Dash ont annoncé la grève aujourd'hui. So who has announced the strike today? That is les syndicalistes. It means the union trade unionist. And next one, Dash of won use of virtue. So who has sold the car? Bernard. And these are the choose the best answer. And move to the second one, the three of four. So first one, les deux collègues se rencontrent à la station de metro. So the two colleagues meet in the metro station. Yes, so the answer is what Ray. And second one, Uvis of vendu sa voiture. So Uvis has sold the car. No, that is Bernard. So the answer is what 4. And third one, Bernard a vendu sa voiture. Yes, he sold his car. So the answer is what Ray. And fourth, Bernard a déposé beaucoup pour la réparation de sa voiture. So Bernard had spent a lot of money for the reparation for his car. Yes, so the answer is what true. And fifth one, Bernard a venue of metro. So Bernard came to the metro. Yes, so the answer is what true. And sixth one, Bernard va acheter immédiatement with nouvelle voiture. So it means Bernard is going to buy immediately a new car. No, he will not buy. So the answer is what 4. And seventh, Uvis va acheter with nouvelle voiture. So Uvis is going to buy a new car. No, so the answer is what 4. And eighth one, Uvis a décidé de prendre le métro ou l'autobus pour se rendre au bureau. So Uvis has decided to take a metro or autobus for return to the office. No, Bernard only. So the answer is what 4. And Uvis va a bicyclette au bureau. So Uvis go by bicycle to the office. Yes. So the answer is what true. And 10th one, selon Bernard, la bicyclette est un bon exercice. So according to the Bernard, the bicycle it's a good exercise. No. So the answer is what 4. According to Uvis only. So here according to Bernard, so that answer is what 4. And 11th one, Bernard a peur de prendre la bicyclette au bureau. So Bernard is afraid to take a bicycle of office. Yes, so he is afraid of that only. So the answer is what 3. And 12th one, Vikram and Mukesh sont à la gare Mamallapuram. So Vikram and Mukesh, they are in the Mamallapuram railway station. Yes, so the answer is what 3. And third one, répondez question, answer the following question. So first is pourquoi Bernard a-t-il pris le métro? So why did Bernard take a subway? So il a pris le métro parce qu'il a vendu sa voiture. So he has taken the metro because he sold his car. B1, pourquoi Bernard n'achètera-t-il pas une nouvelle voiture? So why did not he buy a new car? So il n'achètera pas une nouvelle voiture parce que la circulation sonore est-il à mollo. So because the circulation irritates him and he has a back pain also, so that he will not buy the new car. And C1, comment Uvis va-t-il au bureau? So how Uvis goes to the office? So he goes by bicycle. So the answer is what? Uvis va a bicicleta. And D1, pourquoi n'y a-t-il pas d'autobus? Why there is no bus? Because of the strike only. So the answer, il n'y a pas d'autobus parce que les syndicalistes ont annoncé la grève aujourd'hui. Because the trade unionist has announced a strike today. And even, avec qui Mukesh a-t-il un rendezvous? So with whom Mukesh has an appointment? With a French delegation. So the answer is what? Il a rendez-vous un patron avec une délégation française. And these are the 8th lesson dialogue. And let us recall the dialogue once. And what is the content for the dialogue A? The colleagues se rencontrent à la station de metro. It means two colleagues meet in the metro station. And who are the two colleagues? One is Uvis and another one is what? Bernard. And move to the dialogue B. So what is the content for the dialogue B? A la gare Mamallapuram. So in the Mamallapuram station, and the conversation between Vikram and Mukesh. And these are the content for your lesson 8 dialogue. And you have to match the communication part which is based on these two dialogue. And if you have any doubt, please refer this video again, and have a nice day to all, and thank you, Messi.